Hi everyone, welcome to Decor Addict. Most of us love to spend time outside, especially on our terraces and in the gardens. When the weather is pleasant and warm, it requires some effort to better enjoy the free moments. If you have a little area surrounding your home and are unsure of what to do with it, you can totally make it into a comfortable retreat for you and your loved ones with a bit of work. Good gardeners understand how to blend attractive plants, their traits, growth patterns, and environmental requirements. For those who connect with it, gardening is a pleasant activity, but occasionally a little refreshment is needed in every garden. Look at these amazing ideas to create your own fantasy garden if you have no clue how to revitalize the garden.